Hey folks, who loves the gnawing pain of an ingrown toenail? Yeah, me neither. It's like a mini troll hammering on your toe, right? You just want to be able to do a jig or slide into your favorite pair of shoes without wincing. Well, don't worry, I'm here today to teach you how to get rid of that pesky ingrown toenail using some simple DIY steps. So, let's jump in, shall we? But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Now, remember that guy Dr. Ross of the American Academy of Orthopedic Surgeons? He did a fantastic piece on ingrown toenails a couple of years back. He explained that these nails grow into the skin because they're either too wide for the toe or grow curved. So when your footwear or socks push your toe flesh against the nail, it can get nasty. Sounds simple, right? But simple doesn't mean it can't cause trouble. So, what can we do about it at home? Let's break it down. Step 1. Soak it good. Warm, soapy water is your first port of call. You'll need to do this a few times a day. It softens the skin around the nail and reduces inflammation. That's what our friends at Mayo Clinic recommended in a study they conducted recently. Step 2. Gently ease it out. After a good soak, use a cotton swab or the end of a nail file to push the skin away from the nail. Be careful now, we don't want any tears. Step 3. Use dental floss or cotton to provide some breathing space. This trick was suggested by the British Association of Dermatologists. Place it under the edge of the nail to keep it from regrowing into the skin. Replace it daily, all right? Step 4. Apply a topical antibiotic. Not just any, mind you. Our friends at Johns Hopkins Medicine highlighted the effectiveness of ones like Neosporin in a piece they did last year. And step 5. Keep it comfy. Opt for open-toed shoes or loose socks to reduce pressure. These steps should help soothe that gnarly ingrown toenail. But remember, if it gets worse or you see signs of infection, don't be a hero. Call your doctor. Health is not a DIY project, right? That's it for today, folks. If you found this video useful, please subscribe, share, and drop a comment. Let me know how these steps worked out for you or if you have any other ingrown toenail hacks up your sleeve. And remember, you don't have to live with that troll in your toe. Here's to pain-free toes.